So of course I've made hundreds of different types of curries here before. Had a lot of emails about making a curry with no onions. So today we're going to make a no onion chicken curry, Indian style with coconut milk. It really is delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so in this bowl I've got 2 chicken breasts with the bone in. What I've done is I chopped a whole chicken up. So 2 breasts in there, the bone is in, the skin is off. We're going to add some lovely spices to it. Here we go. So we're going to go 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, salt and pepper, about a teaspoon each, and then half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder. I'm going to add a little bit of oil, just using a canola there, just to bring it together. I'm going to get a glove on, I'm going to go in with my hand, give it a mix. Okay, so I've got a pan here. I've got a nice medium heat on the go, nothing too high. We're going to drop the chicken in. There's enough oil there already that we've put on the chicken. And we're going to cook this for about 6 or 7 minutes. These are quite big pieces, remember. Nice and gentle. I'll be turning that often. Okay, so we're going to take this chicken out now, set it aside. Now don't worry if you think the chicken's not cooked all the way through yet, because we've still got some cooking to do. Okay, so chicken's been sorted out. I've got some oil in there. I'm just using a sunflower oil. In go 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Some fresh curry leaves, you can get them, are amazing, sometimes quite noisy. There you go, told you. If you can't get them fresh, then you can try and get them dried. 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste. Some chopped fresh chili. And then we've got 1 teaspoon here of turmeric, coriander and garam masala powder. Okay, we're now going to add 400 ml of coconut milk. Salt, and as you can hear, we're on quite a high heat. We're going to let this go for about 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it stirred, stirring it all the time now. Really simple, really delicious. That's boiling together beautifully. Very simply, let's get our chicken now in there. We're then going to lower the heat to not a simmer, but above a simmer. And we're going to let that go for about 6 minutes. And we're done. Really, really easy and super delicious. Okay, off goes the heat. We've done it. If you want, add some fresh cilantro or chopped coriander in there. I'm super happy, just like that. Check that for salt. Beautiful. Let me get that on a plate. And there you go, fantastic. So we've got a lovely chicken curry there with no onions. Really, really tasty. Nice with rice, of course, or some, flat bread like a naan, chapati or roti. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you really soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.